This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2022 Jeep Compass, stock number 7089. It's run from the 10th 2017 and the 12th 2023. It's an M6 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission. This is the M6 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 19-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory mega tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 19-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,